Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to turn off auto-download for videos on WhatsApp when using the app on your PC. If you're tired of videos automatically downloading and taking up space, this quick tutorial will help you regain control. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Once it's launched, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Click on it to proceed. Next, within the settings menu, locate and select the option labeled Storage. This section allows you to manage how media files, including videos, are handled by WhatsApp. Now, you'll see a list of media types that can be automatically downloaded. Simply find the checkbox labeled Videos. To disable auto-download for videos, uncheck this box. By doing so, WhatsApp will no longer automatically download videos to your device. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully turned off auto-download for videos on WhatsApp for PC. From now on, videos will only download when you choose to do so manually. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. See you in the next video.